In this lesson, we are going to talk about job opportunities for the LLM application developer. So, LLM applications are going to be everywhere. In corporations, startups, SMBs, consulting firms, government, NGOs, etc. And you can also start your own tech consulting firm. So as an LLM app developer, you can find jobs everywhere. So companies and public administrations will communicate with their customers and their citizens using LLM applications. Companies and public administration will manage many of their internal operations with LLM applications. This is going to be huge. People will use LLM applications with the same frequency as they use mobile phones today. All web development agencies will offer LLM application development services. And thousands of startups are going to emerge from new LLM applications. So it is not that you are going to be able to find job wherever you want. It is that there is going to be a shortage in this job market. So the moment you get a minimum experience, you are going to be chased for. So companies are going to be after you and are going to offer you very interesting salaries in order to get you. So very interesting moment to be studying this program. We are still in a very, 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 very early stage. You are going to see in the next lessons when we talk about use cases and real cases and companies that are using LLM applications that right now LLM applications are almost everywhere. After 1 year, and they are almost everywhere, but it's just the tip of the iceberg where they are right now. So you are going to see during the following years a huge explosion in the job market for technical positions, for LLM app developers. And you will see the different kind of positions that you can find. Okay, so the professional opportunities for the LLM application developer are going to be in business, big, small, and medium-sized businesses, startups, public administration, consulting firms, and also self-employment. Something can be a little bit frustrating or a pain in the butt, like they say in the United States, which is that the labor market usually requires experience. And that's why it is a good idea to gain experience. We have what we call an AI sandbox. You can go to our website, aiaccelera.com, and take a look at the AI sandbox. But we have a lot of initiatives to help students and to help people with less experience to get more experience in order to be easier to hire for companies. Sometimes remember that the job market sometimes is a little bit crazy. So you are going to find job offers asking for 3 years of experience for an LLM app developer, which is, totally absurd because LLM application development has only 1 year old, right? But the best thing you can do is, as I am telling you again and again, to practice. And while you practice, build your portfolio of projects, okay? As you know, you can use all the exercises and projects of this course in your own portfolio. You can make, your own versions of them, you can experiment, you can learn from there, etc. And once you have the proper knowledge, you will find a lot of projects that you can start working by yourself to increase your portfolio. So don't worry about this initial reaction of the job market asking for experience. Is absurd in many occasions, and it is mostly due to the lack of knowledge and understanding of the people in charge of selection. Usually they don't know the details of the job they are trying to fill, right? So don't worry about strange things in the job market asking for experience or whatever. You just follow the program, complete the program, do the exercises again and again, the projects again and again, build your own portfolio of projects, and keep practicing, because the number of job opportunities we are going to see in this field in the next 5 to 10 years is going to be amazing. And the people in early stages, like the ones studies this program, are going to be super well positioned in the future. So just keep going, get your initial experience, and you will see that companies are going to be fighting for you, and your possibilities and salaries, etc., are going to be wonderful. Okay? So in the next lesson, we are going to start talking about use cases for LLM applications. And for me, it's very important to tell you about real cases, so you can see how real companies are using LLM applications. And this is going to be super interesting for you to see, okay, how can I do this for my company? Or how can I do this in my startup? Or how can I provide this kind of services in my consulting firm, whatever. Okay, so it's going to be very interesting what we are going to see in the next lessons.